Brand new from the factory. Snap-on toolbox. And the dog. Got the KRA2411 PDG Midnight Blue in color. I'm gonna do a little unboxing, get this thing set up. Box isn't damaged, so hopefully the toolbox itself isn't damaged. They're not the workbench top like I thought it was gonna be. That sucks. Thought it was gonna have the oh, they got this in here. Okay, well, unless it's somewhere else, but there's holes in the top of it. I can't imagine why there'd be holes. Safety falling steps should remove. Okay, I'm gonna need some tools for a second. So I thought I was gonna have to put the wheels on it. The wheels are already on it. But I'm still, I don't know why this top. I hope I got a cover for this top. Got keys for it. Open these boys up real quick. Chain. I got the split drawer one. But if there's no top, I'm gonna be pretty upset. I don't know why they would make one that's got holes in it. I gotta get liners for it still. That's not done. Yeah, put a cardboard ramp. Okay, I got the box, but I got no liners. Oh, there we go. Sorry, I never bought a brand new toolbox before, so here it is. This is what I was looking for right here. Drawer liner set. I got, let's see, that's probably the handle for the side. These are the ramps to get it off the, yep, okay, those are the ramps to get it off, so pretty cool. I was about to be upset there for a second if I didn't have any liners. KR11, yep, rubber mat, so I can get these off of here real quick. I've never seen a Snap-on box without the, with holes in it, so I was wondering. Now obviously I'm going to take all this stuff back off before I scratch everything up. Next, put a ceramic on it, get all this cardboard debris and dust out of there. Got a nice little liner set. I'm going to put a coat of ceramic on it before I really get into it. But, let's lay this out. There we go. That's much better. Now we're cooking. Now, okay, so it's not, so it's texturized, it's not the bed liner top I was thinking it was gonna be. Still okay with it. It's still pretty good. It'll work. Yep, it's just gonna have to put some weight on that. Yes. Get my liner set in there, and I'll come back when I'm finished. Probably put a quick coat of ceramic on it too. Just a real light coat, just to kind of protect it. So I did a quick layer of ceramic real quick. Just a quick light coat. I didn't do anything too much thick. Ceramic I'm using is the, this is just a regular bottle, but the Chemical Guys ceramic coating they got for like car paint. That I'll just put a quick coat on these real quick. I'm not gonna do the inside because they're gonna go liners, but I got the exterior. I'm gonna put all my liners in real quick. Put the handles on, and then I'll move it out of the way. This is where they dropped it off at, right in the middle of a bunch of crap. So I'll have done both the pieces of wood so I can roll out, get some stuff out of the way, roll it to the back, fill everything up with some tools, put the liners in like I said, and then I have all my tools in one place. First liner got a little beat up from shipping, but it'll probably smooth out. All the liners are in. Should probably get this thing into place where I want it and then put tools in it so it's not as heavy. I gotta put this bar on still, actually. Put this bar on and then... do I got any nut and bolt somewhere? Hope I do. I'll find them. About an hour later, it is now getting dark out. I have one garage light because my garage is still being finished, as you can see. And this is like a quarter of my tools. I got some stuff put away, if you can see. It is dark. Let me get a light real quick. I got like nothing put away. Some tools. I got tools here. I got a whole bench full of tools. But I guess I got tools. So, gonna try to do some organizing. I don't know how much longer I can stay out here. I'm starting to get cold. My hands are freezing, so maybe just get some more tools out, because like I said, I got them everywhere. So, trying to clean up a little bit. Just tools. I got tools down here. I got tools over here. I got tools over here. Tools on the shelf. I'm just trying to organize. So I don't know if I'm gonna finish it up today. I got a whole toolbox full over here, an old one. I gotta go through all that stuff. So I'm gonna be here for a while. I don't know if I'm gonna finish tonight. Got plenty of tools, so that's it. Maybe I'll do a little bit more. Not too much longer, it's getting dark.